What's happening, everybody? In today's video, I am in Concord, California, shooting with Diablo Action Pistol for their bi-monthly IDPA match. Also, guys, we are super close to that 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I think we're just over 100 subscribers away. So make sure we're liking and subscribing, sharing these videos out. I want to make one of you guys a lucky winner. But let's check out this video.
Are you ready? Stand by! 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 Are you ready? Stand by!
Are you ready? Stand by.